records? Like, does it?
I don't know. Is it going crazy?
The menu isn't gone yet. The menu is just on screen. Oh my god! What is happening? Help! Oh my god! What is this? What is this? Oh my god! Holy crap! This is something else. It just looks like a rave. Like someone barfed Lucky Charms on my screen. What is happening?
So is you actually playing the game at this point?
Yeah. I mean, playing in air quotes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, every time I go into the menu and I leave the menu does not go away for a good 10 seconds. I'm just playing a fighting game with the menu just on the screen, and the character is fighting behind it. Or no, he runs in front of it, and then it like wipes away the menu because wherever my character runs, it leaves the frames of him running behind it. So there's like a trail of him going backwards if he like jumps backwards, for example.
Wow. Can you turn back
how
on?
this is working.
Can you turn back on the tunnel just to kind of make sure it's?
Tunnel's connecting. Tunnel connected. We jump back in. It's loading.
Every time you go into the like you connect or disconnect from the tunnel, the game you have to load Gamepass again, right? The game has to load again.
Yeah, it just takes like a second though. I don't think it recused me behind everyone else. This is just infinitely better. Oh my god.
So will you buy our product, Alex?
Yes. Yeah. If I had Wi-Fi like this, yes I would.
How much would you pay per hour for this?
Per hour? I wouldn't think of it per hour, Papa. But I wouldn't at least I wouldn't want to go to like Starbucks to use the Starbucks Wi-Fi to play my games.
Well, you could use Starbucks with this turned on.
So you're saying Starbucks Wi-Fi.
So probably Starbucks Wi-Fi is the same as this, right?
I think it's probably going to be better. The Wi-Fi, the guest Wi-Fi is really bad.
Okay, well that's good. It's good that we tested it there.
You tested it at Starbucks? Or
no, just here.
No, this is like an optimal. This bad Wi-Fi is an optimal environment for your product. It's literally, I literally couldn't think of anything that barely worked this much.
Yeah. So it's working okay with the tunnel turned on?
Oh my god, yeah. Like I just saw a stutter just now, like a little frame drop.
Right.
But it's playable, you know?
Yeah,
it's so much more playable.